Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of OpenClaw and N8N. So in this video, we're going to break down everything in detail, what they are, their features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and most importantly, which one you should actually use depending on your needs. By the end, you'll have a clear answer on which tool fits your workflow better. Let's get started. With OpenClaw, it's an open source AI automation platform that is built around autonomous AI agents. OpenClaw is designed to work more like an AI worker that can understand a goal and figure out how to complete it step by step. So rather than you building every single step manually, you give it an objective and the AI agent tries to reason, plan and execute the task. OpenClaw can browse the web, it can use tools and APIs, it can run commands, manage multi-step tasks, and even adapt its behavior based on new information. OpenClaw works with almost everything: WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, iMessage, Claude, GPT, Spotify, and lots more. This makes OpenClaw feel less like an automation tool and more like an AI assistant that can take initiative. Now let's talk about N8N. N8N is one of the most popular workflow automation platforms in the world. It's often compared to tools like Zapier or Make, but it stands out because it gives you much more flexibility and control. You build automations by connecting blocks together, where each block represents a step in your workflow. These steps can include triggers, actions, API calls, data processing, and even AI-powered steps. This makes it extremely useful for business automation, marketing workflows, internal tools, and system integrations. What makes N8N especially powerful is that it combines no-code simplicity with developer-level control. So beginners can use the Visual Builder while advanced users can go deeper with JavaScript, APIs, loops, and custom logic. This makes it highly scalable for both individuals and teams. Now let us talk about the main features of each. OpenClaw has autonomous AI agents. That's its biggest feature, the ability to run autonomous AI agents. The agents can plan tasks, they can break them down into steps and execute them without constant human input. Next is the memory system. OpenClaw can remember past interactions, preferences, and ongoing tasks. This allows it to behave more like a long-term assistant instead of a one-time tool. Then there's the multimodal AI support. You can switch between different AI models depending on your needs. This gives you flexibility in terms of cost, performance, and accuracy. Self-hosting and privacy. OpenClaw can run locally or on your own server. This is especially important for users who care about data privacy or who want full control over their system. Automation and scheduling. You can schedule tasks to run automatically at specific times or intervals. This makes it useful for continuous AI-driven workflows. Next is the tool and app integration. OpenClaw can connect with messaging apps and external tools. This allows it to perform real-world actions beyond just generating texts. Now let's look at N8N. There's the Visual Workflow Builder. N8N uses a drag-and-drop interface where you visually build workflows step by step. Next is Advanced Logic Control. You can create conditions, loops, branching paths, and complex logic inside workflows. Custom code support. If you need more control, you can insert JavaScript code directly into the workflows. Huge integration library. N8N connects with hundreds of apps and services, making it extremely versatile for business automation. AI workflow and capabilities. N8N now includes AI-powered nodes and even agent-style workflows, making it more AI-friendly than before. Then there's the self-hosting or cloud. You can either run N8N yourself or use the managed cloud version, depending on your needs. Now what is the pricing like? For OpenClaw, it's free and open sourced. But for N8N, there's also a free trial window, but it's mostly paid options. So there's the starter plan at $20 per month when billed annually. There's a pro plan at $50 per month, a business plan at $800 per month, and an enterprise plan where you have to contact the sales team and they give you a custom pricing. You can start the free trial. Good thing is no credit card is required, but you try it out first before you commit to paying. Now, what are the pros and cons of using both platforms? First, the pros. For OpenClaw, powerful autonomous AI agents, It can think and execute tasks independently. It has memory for long-term contexts. There's multi-model support and strong privacy through self-hosting. And the pros of using N8N? Easy visual builder, huge integration ecosystem, is strong for business processes and developer-friendly customization. How about the cons? For OpenClaw, there's a steep learning curve and it requires technical setup. It's still evolving because it's open sourced. And the cons of N8N? It can become complex for large workflows. It definitely requires some technical understanding for advanced use. And the AI features are still improving. So now let's answer the big question. Which is better, OpenClaw or N8N? If your goal is structured automation for business processes, then N8N is the better choice. N8N gives you control and structure, but OpenClaw gives you autonomy and intelligence. So the best choice really depends on what you value more. Is it reliability or autonomy? And that's it on the comparison of OpenClaw and N8N. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Zapier, Make, and LangChain. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.